show you how to play Kiss Me Goodbye as sung by Petula Clark. If you want the letter notes for that, you go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. Let's start with that introduction. D, A, D, A, D, A, D. That's all you do in the left hand. Go back and forth between D and A. And in the right hand, you're going to have D, D, E, A, F sharp, D, E, B. Up an octave, same thing, D, D, E, A. Now here it changes, A, F sharp, A, B, A, B, A. Drop an octave down and do the same thing, F sharp, A, B, A, B, A. In their orchestration, they have that on like a mallet percussion right there, but we just play it like that with a little bit of percussive element to it. And it'll sound like this. That D, and we go right into the verse right there. And all you're going to do on the bass, on the left hand, you're just going to walk it down. D, C sharp, B, A, G, F sharp, E, A. Then you do it again. D, C sharp, B, A, G, F sharp, E, A, D. And then I come up and play a D chord. D, F sharp, A. Now it sounds like in the intro that you're in the key of D, but this piece is actually in the key of G with kind of a key of D sounding intro. You're in the key of G, but then you throw in this C sharp, which takes you kind of momentarily into the key of D feel right there. Now the vocal melody is what we probably should start off on next. We got an F sharp, E, A, G, F sharp, D, A, G, F sharp, D, A, D, again, F sharp, E, A, G, F sharp, D, A, G, F sharp, D, A, D, E, D, and then we're into that first chorus. So that'll sound like this. Filler in there, so we've got to fill a little bit before we go into the chorus. So hit this D, then come up and hit the D chord, and then in the right hand just hit a D, A, kind of a French horn like sound right there. D. Then we've got the chorus. Now let's get the chorus melody. D, G, A, B, A, G, F sharp, E, F sharp, G, F sharp, E, D, C, D, E, D, C, B, 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 C, B, A. A little turn right there. So you go C, B, 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 C, B, A. Going on, we go up this octave to A, B, C, B, A, G, F sharp, G, A, G, F sharp, E, D, 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 E, D, down to this G, A, B. Okay, and then let's get the left hand to go with it. Now the left hand, you're just going to take a pedal G chord through most of this. And all I'm going to do there to emulate that is, to simulate that is G, D, G, D. Here it changes to an A minor sound, so you got the C right there. Here's your A minor chord. We got the C right there, and we go to an A, E, and then back to the G. And then it'll end with a D. And it isn't really a D7 feel, but you get a little hint of that with that C right there. Then we're going to go into an A minor, and then to a C major 7th sound. C 1, 3, 5, major 7th. With that B, it's the major seventh sound. To a D chord, back to the C chord, back to the D chord, and hit the C, hit the C with the E, G, then the D with the F sharp A, C with the E, G, D with the F sharp A. Now here we're just going to hit a C and an E when we go down to this G, A. So we're going to go down, and then we go to a G chord, and then I'm going to roll a G7 in the left hand, and then we'll go back into the chorus again with chorus 2. But let's play that chorus 1 together with hands together. There's that little interlude break. Do this chorus 2, same melody pretty much. Here it changes, so you go D, E, D, C, D, E, and then the filler A, B, A, we'll have A, B, A, a different filler. And then this will be different. So we'll have C, E and G, C, E and G, B, F sharp. So there's a B minor sound there with the B and the F sharp, then to an E minor sound with an E and a B, and then C, C, B, A, D, G. That'll cover the left hand. So let's take that chorus 2 so you can see how the hands go together, and I'll start with that G7. Hit the C and then hit these E's together. But you got to be ready to go to it's actually a C. It's probably a diminished sound of some sort, a C sharp, E, G. So you go from a C, E, G to a C sharp, E, G, then to a B, F sharp, and you got to put it with the right hand. Now that E minor chord is E, G, B, so you've got the G in the melody. So the melody goes E, G, F sharp, E, and we're going to be on that C, and then just hit C, B, A. So we're moving C, C, B, A, and then go down to a D, and back up to the G. We have that little filler that kind of sounds like a kabuki filler there with the open fifths and the open chord there, the G and the E. So we'll have a G and a D and a G and an E. So we come out of that chorus 2 and we play that little filler, and then we go right into back into that verse. And this will call it a verse bridge because it's a bridge between the choruses again. But you've got right there, hit the G again. for that filler, after that second verse, you'll just come down with an A and a C, which will turn this into a D7. Then this turns it into a G chord, and then that turns it into a regular D chord. So you go D, G, F sharp. But all we're going to do that is we're going to play A and C, G and B, F sharp, and A. Back into the chorus, reprise of the chorus. Just the same as before. Up to the A minor sound, to the C major, 7th. C, D again, now this one will go G, B and D, E, F sharp, E, and we're holding this B right here, E, F sharp, E, and then we start the second chorus reprise, and it'll lead us right into the tag. So we've got that, where we go from. Now here, where I've got A, B, A. So you don't have to hit that again. If you got a piano that sustains it, you can just sustain it. But after you finish with that A, B, A, now what you're changing that to, you're going a C chord with an added 6th, added major 7th, back to the added major 6, back to the added 6 is all we're doing. And we're going. Then all we do for the tag, we just repeat that last little phrase with a little bit more emotion, and then we add a. So we go A, B, A, G, F sharp, E, and then we roll the chord. So we go from the end of that chorus reprise, that second chorus reprise, where we have the little interlude. Kiss Me Goodbye by Petula. Hope you enjoy it.